In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students. I welcome you in Pakistan International School, Taib, virtual learning system. This is grade 2, third term, and this is mathematics class. Today, I will teach you book page 150 and 152, and also table of 11. This is the revision of table of 11. So let us start. This is the page number 150, equal parts, halves. So we can divide anything in two parts, in three parts, in four parts. Okay. So when our thing is not divided, so it is, we can say that it is equal to 1. So when we divide thing into two parts, it is equal to 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 2, one part, 1 over 2, the second. But remember, it should be equal. Okay, both parts should be equal. So you can say this is the half and half. Mean 50%, 50%. 50% mean 1 over 2, another 50%, 1 over 2. And when we add 1 over 2, 1 over 2, it is again, it becomes 1. Okay, like 1 real. So when we divide 1 real in two equal parts, so it is uh, 50 halala and 50 halal. Okay, so 50 halala plus 50 halala is equal to 1 real. So let us start. Look at these pictures. Take the objects that are cut in half. So these are some objects are given, and all objects are cut into two parts. But all objects not cut into equal. So we cannot say this is all half. Okay. We will take only those which are uh, cut equally. So look number one. So this is not cut equally. But this one, this is, I think this is one part is the bigger than the other. So we cannot say that it has been cut equally. So we cannot take this one. Look number two, this one, and this is the uh, this one is cut equally, and I will take this one. Okay, you can. Number three, this is a watermelon. It is also cut equally, mean cut in the center. 1 over 2 one side, 1 over 2 one side, mean half one side, one half one side. So we also take this one. This one, number 3 is not cut equally, one part is bigger than the other. Number next line, number 1 picture, it is also not cut equally, one is bigger than the other. This row uh, also cut equally, and we can take this one. And the last object also not cut equally, and we will not take this one. So in this picture, only three objects are cut equally, and then we only take these one. Okay. Remember, two halves are two equal parts of a whole. Two halves are two equal parts of a whole. Mean is saying that two halves mean two halves is equal to one whole. Mean 1 over 2 halves mean 1 over 2, 1 over 2, and when we add 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, it is equal to 1. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 1. Mean 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. So 100 means 1. Okay. Point 0.5 is equal to 1. So 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over 2. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 1. Okay, half plus half is equal to whole. Question number 2. Take the shape cut in half, color and write 1 over 2 in the correct place. So look, this number 1. This number 1 is the half, is cut equal. So write 1 over 2, 1 over 2, and also color this one, and also color this one. Okay. Uh, so we will check which are the number. This one, this is not cut in half. So don't color this one. Number 3, this is a triangle, and it cut in half and it becomes two triangle. So we take this one, and we also write 1 over 2 here, 1 over 2 here, and also you color. I'm not going to color this one, but you color one part. Okay, with your color pencil. Okay, first you take this one and then write 1 over 2, 1 over 2, both sides, like the example 1. Write 1 over 2, 1 over 2. Okay, the next, this is also half, also take this one and also write 1 over 2, 1 over 2. Okay, this one, this is half of this one. This is not cut equally. This part is the bigger than the this one, so don't take this one. Look next, this is the cut equally, and you take this one and also write 1 over 2, 1 over 2. Okay, 1 over 2, 1 over 2. First you take and then write 1 over 2, 1. This one, right, this is like a shape like egg, but this is not cut equally, so don't take this one. Next, row number 3, first object, first picture. This is also not cut equally, don't take this one. Next, number 2, this is not cut equally, so don't take this one. Number 3, this is also not cut equally, so don't take this one. And the last one, and it is also not, because the above part is a little greater big than the lower part. Okay, so don't take this one. Okay, so what will you do? First you take only those shape which are cut in half. Okay, half mean equally cut into equal parts. So in this, how many total shape? One, two, including the number one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So first he has already done, so except first, so total 10, and from 10 only 3 objects, 3 shapes are cut in half, mean cut equally in two parts. Okay, so you will tick only those which are cut equally in two parts. Okay, boys. Next page, 152, cutting in halves. Okay, so in here you will cut yourself. Cut each shape into half by drawing a line, then color each half using a different color. One has been done for you. Mean, uh, shapes are given, and you first what you will do? You cut in the middle, mean cut in two halves, and then color one side. Mean you color green, the second red, one side mean use two different colors. So first has been done for you. Look this one. So this is all shape of egg, and it cut in the center and also color. Okay, this is a different color. This is the white color. Okay, so now we are going to cut in the middle. First we will cut, and then only one I will color, and then others you color yourself at your own with the color pencil. Look number one. First of all, what you will do? You cut from the middle this shape. Okay, it is almost the equal of 1 over 2, 1 over 2, half and half. Now this picture, also color this one. Okay, color here, no need to write 1 over 2, just use the different color here, red here, blue, this first line, last picture. Okay, draw the line first in the middle and then use the different color, half and half. Next line number 2, this one, first of all you draw a line to divide into two parts, to equal parts, then use the different color and color these different parts. Next, this one, look, this one, draw a line and divide it into two parts and then color these halves. Next, this one, look, this one, this is two, I divide it into two color, and this is the last picture, and draw first and draw a line in the center of the picture and divide it into two parts. Okay, so now these all shapes are divided into half, divided into half by drawing a line. Then I'm going to color only picture number 2, because picture number 1 has already done by the writer, author, and I will going to do, I'm going to do the picture number 2, this one. Look, this one, the color here blue, and here this is the another color. Okay, use two different color to color it. So these are colored and you will do yourself. Question number 5, join the dots to draw the missing half, then color using a different color for each half. One has been, look, this one. So there are some dots are given. So first of all, what you will do, you draw a line here on the dot, and when you draw it, this line becomes a solid, and now after the becoming it solid, you color it. So first has been done. Look, this one, first draw a line and then color, you use two different colors. So I will going to do number 2. uh, First I will draw the line and then color, and all others you will do yourself. This is, you can say, this is uh, all other these shapes you will do yourself at home. Okay, look, this first draw this line like this. Now come down here like this, go right. Now come down, go left, come down, and then go left. So in this way, first you will what you will do, first you will join the dots to draw the missing half, because these, look, this one in number 3, this is 8, and draw the given. So first you will do dot, then what you will do after this one, color it. I just show you, this is a one color purple, this is the second color, this is the uh, brown color. Okay, so you use any two colors. Okay, once half, and there are, because two halves, so you will use two different colors just to identify that this shape, this picture, you have divided into two parts. Okay, so this one, this one, this one, you will do, if you draw with your pencil, make these dots converts into solids, and then color this side different color, this side different color. This is this shape, this is X, this is T, t-shirts, this is a star, this is W, this is a box. Okay, so here different shapes are given, and you will complete like example 1 and also like example 2, which I did. Okay, boys, so today very, I think, very interesting for you boys, because today you will do the drawing, and I hope that all of you like the drawing. Now table of 11, this is the revision. Tables are very, very important. So let us start. 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 fives are 55, 11 six are 66, 11 six are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99, 11 nines are 99, 11 tens are 110, 11 tens are 110, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 six are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99, 11 tens are 110. Okay, boys. So memorize this table, and not only this, again and again, uh, I tell you that all tables are very very important from 10 to onward. So memorize all the table and revise all the days. Okay, first you memorize the table, then it is not difficult to you that just revise all from all table in 10 minutes. Okay, because tables you can use not in mathematics, in your daily life also. Okay, now your homework, do page number 150 and 152. Mean today only shapes are given, and you will change the shapes into the half and color them, and also write the table of 11. Okay, guys, I hope you understood. Inshallah, I will see you the next video. Take care, stay at home, and Allah Hafiz.